For this tutorial, we're going to go through the process of creating drills in the Sonra Live iPad application. To do this, navigate to the drill icon on the bottom toolbar. From here, we can touch Create Drill to begin a new drill. Do so by giving it a title and then selecting the players that we'd like available. Select a player by tapping the icon or hit Select All to start a drill with all players available. Once the drill has populated, we can hit the play icon at the start time. We'll then have the option to pause the drill or stop it at completion. Drill pausing can then be resumed at any point, and we'll just account for any lulls in activity to ensure that we have good work to rest ratios in our drills. By tapping a drill, we'll then begin to view that data, and we can then navigate back to the drill page to continue editing. On the drill page, we can filter drills by all, new, which are drills which have not yet begun, active, which are drills we currently have running, and finished, which are our completed drills. We can then touch our list icon, which will change us from a tile layout to a list, and all drills will be then displayed in this format. Under Edit Drill, we then have the ability to rename, edit the start or end time, delete drill, or select duplicate. In the case of duplicate, this will create a drill which will retain the players and title of the previous drill. This is particularly useful if we want to run multiple bouts of small-sided games or conditioning drills which need the same title and the same players for our database. Within the Sonra Live iPad application, we have the ability to send players to the bench. We can do this by touching the bench icon, which will open up a dialog and display our active players. By selecting the icon for a player, we'll then remove them from activity, which will then remove any data from being collected at that point. This is useful in events where players have been removed from a drill and are no longer active, and we don't want to affect their work to rest ratio or any of their intensity-based metrics. Within the benching UI, we have the ability to quickly search players as well to filter down our list and quickly add players back into activity when needed.